Hi, I'm Anindita Das Bhattacharjee. In this video, we are going to learn Introduction to AI, applications, goal and branches of AI, human versus AI, and why AI is a boon. I am an author of few books on artificial intelligence under Shroff Publisher. The first edition of Artificial Intelligence and Soft Computing for Beginners was published in 2013, followed by second edition in 2014, which became one of the bestsellers. The third edition was published in early 2018 and is currently available in all leading websites. Later in that year, a practice workbook on artificial intelligence was published. I have also authored couple of book chapters in the book Intelligent Analysis for Multimedia Information, published by IGI Global and indexed in Scopus and IRMA. What is artificial intelligence? Before the answer, let's look at these terms. What do you understand by the term artificial? It can be anything that is made by humans, things that are not natural. And what do you understand by intelligence? It is the ability to understand, think, and learn. Artificial plus intelligence is the science of making machines smart, using algorithms to allow computers to solve problems, which is used to be solved only by humans. Radiologists can use AI to calculate the exact shape and volume of tumors, revolutionizing treatment. Astronomers use AI to find and evaluate exoplanets in distant solar system. AI is a broad area of computer science that makes machines seems like they have human intelligence. AI can manifest itself in many different ways. If you have ever asked Alexa to order pizza or browse movie suggestions in Netflix, you are actually interacting with AI without realizing it. And that's the point. AI is designed so you do not realize that there is a machine calling the shoot. In the near future, AI is expected to become little less artificial and lot more intelligent. Now, easiest way to think on AI in the context of human. After all, humans are most intelligent creatures in the world. Human can speak, listen and communicate through language. This is a field of speech recognition. Much of speech recognition is statistical based, known as statistical learning. Human can read write in a language that is a field of NLP, natural language processing. Human can understand their environment and move around fluidly. This is the field of robotics. Human has ability to see the patterns such as grouping of look-alike objects. This is a field of pattern recognition. Machines are good at pattern recognition as they use vast data with large dimension. When AI uses vast data to perform special tasks is called machine learning. Now let's talk about human brain. Human brains are network of neurons and we use this to learn things. If we replicate the structure and function of human brain, we might be able to get cognitive capabilities in machines. The goal of AI here is to create systems that can function intelligently and independently to perform all the mentioned tasks. As AI has become more intelligent, it obviously take on the role of an intelligent worker. While most of the repetitive and largely time-oriented tasks can be automated using AI, we will still need human experts to maintain these synthetic bots and work on the strategic and creative aspects of a job. So, in conclusion, AI is a boon that can help optimize any job. This means, as always, it's not AI versus humans, rather, it is a combination of human and AI.